An Aeronautical Information Circular (AIC) will be originated whenever it is necessary to promulgate aeronautical information which does not qualify for inclusion in an aeronautical information publication or NOTAM. They will promulgate any long-term forecast of projected changes in legislation, regulation, procedure or facility. One of a purely explanatory or advisory nature liable to affect flight safety, information, or notifications of an explanatory nature concerning technical, legislative, or administrative matters. AICs shall be serial numbered, issued in printed form, and contain both text and graphics. An annual checklist of current AICs will be published. Originating states shall select those AICs that require international circulation, and they will be color-coded according to topic. In the UK, they are published every 28 days and color-coded as follows: pink, safety matters; yellow, operational matters; white, administrative matters; mauve, airspace reservations; green, maps and charts. The provision of pre- and post-flight information services at any international aerodrome is essential for the safety and efficiency of air navigation. Information supporting the route stages emanating from an aerodrome shall be made available to all personnel involved in the operation of aircraft and will include elements from the national AIP and all the necessary maps, charts and aeronautical data needed for flight. Access to a complete library of international aeronautical data is to be made available. Access is the means of direct communications between the aerodrome AIS and that library. Additional aerodrome information concerning the following can also be provided: construction and maintenance work, runway or taxiway surface condition, presence and depth of snow, snow drifts, ice or water, parked aircraft adjacent to taxiways, temporary hazards, including bird hazards, failure of part or all of the aerodrome lighting, failure of or a regular operation of any navigational aids, the presence of humanitarian air relief missions undertaken by the United Nations. Current information relating to the departure aerodrome, along with access to NOTAMs, will all be available in the form of plain language pre-flight information bulletins. State shall also ensure that all aerodromes have the capacity to capture information concerning the operation of air navigation facilities noted by air crews during flight, and that the information can be made readily available to the AIS for onward distribution as necessary.